Hi, I'm Overland, celebrity personal trainer, and welcome to your cardio challenge. Time to kick it up, level 1. All right, our first section, we're starting hot off the gate with a little bit of a warm-up. We're gonna start with some jumping jacks and progress from there. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, jumping jacks. Nice and strong. If you're not there today, you're jumping out and in, alternating. But this is our challenge. We got this. Keep going nice and strong. Beautiful work. Just setting it up for the rest of the good work that's about to come. Okay, we're gonna take it low in 4, 3, 2, 1. Low jacks for 20 seconds. Weight is in your heels. Your abs are engaged. We're gonna go right to plank jacks in 5 seconds. I told you this is a challenge, but nothing you can't accomplish. Let's go 4, plank jacks in 3, 2, and 1. Hit that plank. Perfect. Legs out or together. Let's go for 20 seconds. Abs engaged. Hot out the gate, right? Yes. 10, 9, get it. 8 options here. Pick your level. 4, 3, beautiful. 2, and 1. You actually have a 30-second break here, so shake it out. Our next section, we're gonna have a little bit of strength work. We're gonna do push-ups to start, knees or toes. So perfect alignment, down and up. Ready? Set it up. 3, 2, 1. Strong push-ups, up and down. And then drop to your knees whenever you need. But I know you can do it. I don't care if you get 1 push-up on your toes or 2, because tomorrow you'll be stronger and you'll get 3, 4, and 5 all the way up to reach your goal. Keep going nice and strong. 5 more seconds. 4, 3, beautiful. 2, and 1. On your knees, you have options. We're gonna do up, up, down, down with our kneel to stand squats. Staying low, 30 seconds. Now this might be difficult for some, right? If you can't go to your knees, all I want you to do is just squat down and up, regular squats. But for everyone else, down, down, up, up. And I like you to think about staying low. Abs are engaged. This might look strange. It'll get your heart rate up. And don't forget, it's quite functional, right? How many times do we go down on the floor and come up? We gotta stay strong. Stay strong. 5 more seconds. You got it. 4, 3, beautiful. 2, stay low, stay low, stay low. And 1 time. Shake it out. Feeling good? Got a little pump? We have a small break. We have our next section. We have frog squats. I will demo. A little bit strange position, but I have a wide frog stance. Hands on the floor or hands here at center. All I want you to do is lift your backside up in the air. And so it's like a pulsing frog squat is what they're called. And I love these too. You might think it looks strange. It does. We're all friends here. But you'll feel a pump in your quads and also get that extra credit stretch in your hamstrings. Woo, I feel that pump. You got it. 5. You might not see these, but this is a great variation. Beautiful. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stay low. Keep that low squat. Now I want you to punch side to side. Cross body punches. Are your legs burning? Yes, you can. I'll give you a little reprieve. I want you to come up and punch and down and punch. So we're squatting, we're punching. Beautiful work. We are kicking it up with this cardio. You are so strong. Up and down. Yes, beautiful work. Almost there. Yes, you have 5. Let's stay low for 4, 3, 2, and 1. Awesome. Shake it out. Are your heart rates up? -2. So strong. Next section, we have lunges. Here we go. I'll set it up to the side. Reverse lunge. And then, of course, this is our challenge. We're gonna kick it up a notch, okay? With me, here we go. Reverse lunge, 3, 2, and 1. Big step back, beautiful. So here's our foundation. If this is where you need to stay, that is where you are. If you'd like to kick it up, yes, little hop, little reverse lunge and hop. You got it. I know you can. We're only here for 15 more seconds. Beautiful, nice and strong. Nice, 10, 9, if you want, woo, 8, 7, full lunges, 5, yes you can, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hit the plank. Here we are. We're using that same motion, only in the plank. Lizard lunge hops, ready? In 3, with me, 2, 1, lizard lunge hops, 30 seconds. Beautiful. And if you're not hopping, you're stepping out, one at a time, but keeping a faster pace, faster pace. This is our cardio work. Beautiful. Keep strong for 5. You got it. 4, 3, 2, hold it strong, hold it strong. Beautiful. And 1, flip over. Same motion, different plane of space. We're doing big flutter kicks to finish. Beautiful work. It doesn't have to be fast, just nice, long line. Kick it up. Beautiful. In 10 seconds, we have fast, slow flutter kicks. Are you ready? With me in 3, you got it. 2, 1, fast, slow flutter kicks. They're lower, abs engaged. 8 seconds, here's your challenge. 7, beautiful. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, hold it. Yes. And 1, time. Beautiful, take a breather. See you on the next one.